is my Royal Gourmet offset smoker. Gonna do a video showing you guys how to properly use an offset smoker. I've seen a lot of people use these offset smokers, and they use them wrong. I see people putting their wood in here, and then they put their meat here, or I see them put their coals here and put their meat on this side. That's wrong from what I've read in the instruction manual. So this video is going to show you basically how to use the offset smoker. So stay tuned. So instead of lighter fluid, I use a fire starter. So I put my fire starter in here, and then I add my charcoal. So once you have your charcoal added, what I do is I just try to pile it up best I can. Of course it's gonna fall. I try to pile it up best I can. And then I like the ends of my fire starter. When the fire starter is now lit, and so I'll let it light and do its thing, be back. So now our smoke is going, our charcoals are smoking now from the fire starter. They're not flaming up. Just gonna get a little real light smoke going. Added my hickory wood. Now I'll wait about 20 minutes, let my wood catch, start smoking real good. Then I add my meat. I want my temperature to get around 200 before I add my meat. So that way, you know, got nice temperature going there. I got my side open right here. The wind flowing through there. And once I close this down, all of my smoke will go through there to cook my meat. As you see, man, we got a good smoke going now. We almost at our set temperature. We want to get it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Open this up right here, see all the smoke coming out of there. Get the one out of there. So that was where we want to be. So basically, this is how you use offset smoker, man. And put our meat on here and let it smoke. Got my butts on there. Got my smoke going. I'm gonna close this down now. Then I'm gonna smoke out. Close it. That temperature rise back up. We need to rise. And I'll check on it before I go to bed. Some things and smoked all night, baby. Ooh, gonna be so good.